What's up, guys? Immaculate 2-box break. I gotta grab something real quick. I'll be right back. What's up, Justin? How you doing, man? What's up, Josh? Alright, guys, 2018 Immaculate Baseball 2-box break number 2 coming up. Let's run down these teams real quick and then we will get started. Ian with the Diamondbacks, Bruce with the Braves, Richard with the Orioles, Nick with the Red Sox and Nationals, Ben with the Indians, Brewers, Giants, and Rays, Mike with the Cubs, White Sox, Reds, Rockies, Twins, Mets, and Athletics. Ross has the Tigers, Steve has the Astros, Bradley with the Royals, Steven with the Angels, Brett with the Dodgers and Phillies, Jeremy with the Marlins and Cardinals, Chris with the Yankees, Andy with the Pirates, Lloyd with the Padres, Chris A with the Mariners, that was Chris G with the Yankees, and Josh with the Rangers and Blue Jays. Jeremy B, I see you finally got your Cardinals tonight. Good luck with that. Brett is in the house, getting ready for that new baby. Alright, guys, let's do this. Good luck, everybody. Tomorrow night on eBay, we're doing another football jersey and 2 boxes of Chrome baseball. In the last 2 eBay Chrome breaks, we have had an Ohtani and an Acuna. It's been good to us lately, so check that out tomorrow. Box number 1 coming up. Good luck, everyone. Up first for the Cubs, Chris Bryant, 22 of 25. For the Cubbies, Mr. Mike. Up next for the Giants, Reyes Moranta, 19 of 99. 3-color patch for Mr. Ben. For the Reds, 2 of 5, Johnny Bench. Bat and a 2-color patch. Nice hit for the Reds. Mike again. For the Indians, Greg Allen, RPA, 2-color patch, auto, 12 of 99. To the Indians, Ben and Mike, 2 each so far. For the Rockies, back to Mike again, 57 of 99, rookie debut, auto. Ryan McMahon. And sticking with the trend, 2 of 10 for the Reds. Mike is tearing it up. Dave Concepcion, 2 of 10 for the Reds. Mike's first break with us. I think he's doing pretty good. That box was owned by Ben and Mike. Mostly Mike. Box number 2. Joe DiMaggio, 15 of 99 for the Yankees. For the Nationals, 80 of 99, Victor Robles. The Nationals is Nick. And the Yankees was Chris G. For the Red Sox, 92 of 99, Rafael Devers. For the Red Sox, Nick again. For the Orioles, Anthony Santander, 39 of 49, rookie auto for the Orioles, Richard W. Nice patch on that one. Anthony Santander. Back to the Nationals, Andrew Stevenson, rookie debut, 52 of 99. And finishing it out with the Nationals again, 12 of 99. Quad patch auto Victor Robles, 12 of 99 for the Nationals. Wow, a lot of double hitters in those 2 boxes. I think the Nationals even triple hit in that last box. That does it for this one, guys. Tomorrow night, a jersey and Topps Chrome on eBay. We've got a baseball mixer posted and a football mixer. Check those out. See you next time.